Good morning. It is Monday, November 2nd. My name is Mr. Newman. This is Hanby 8th grade English Language Arts, and here's our class recap. So for today, our assignment is I can strengthen my grammar, and we're going to begin with a new assignment in No Red Ink, which is components of a sentence. So I want to take you to Google Classroom, and what you'll see here is that in Google Classroom, we now have an assignment posted for components of a sentence. So when you finish this, make sure that you also turn it in Google Classroom. Now let's go look at it in No Red Ink. Okay, so in No Red Ink, you'll see this new thing. It's components of a sentence. And there are, if we open this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 topics. If you see a little green star, that means that you previously mastered this. But this one talks about, focuses on components within a sentence. So we're going to look at this, and my recommendation to you is that you look at the lesson first. So in the first one, we're talking about identifying subjects and verbs. Okay, this is something that even though it's one of the older, or one of the first, grammatical terms you may have used, people still confuse them. So the subject is the part of the sentence that is doing or being. If you take something like, Mr. Newman is happy, okay? Well, I'm happy, so I am being happy. So Mr. Newman becomes the subject of the sentence. And so we go from there. So subjects and verbs, kind of basic, but at the same time, still confusing. Again, we're doing this review so that we can launch into more complex ideas as we go. So taking you back to the planner, we have 15 minutes for No Red Ink. If you are doing this on your own, go ahead and pause the video, start this timer, and work in No Red Ink for 15 minutes. All right, welcome back. So the next place that we went is a Padlet created on mystery, and I want to show you where this thing lives. So in here, and if we go to the 40 book challenge, which is right below, we have the recommended books by genre. And in here, you'll see that there is a link for mystery recommendations. Okay, so these are books posted through first period of people who recommended for mystery. So if there's one of these that you have that you want, that you would like to post up here, go ahead and go to this link site. I'll need to approve it. But again, your first line, remember, is going to be your first and last name. Then the second line is the title of the book. And then you can use the search function to search for a new one. So these are all recommended books by students who have already read these. On mystery. If you're looking for mystery, which is one of your genres in the 40 book challenge, here's where you can find it. Okay, so going back to the planner, the remainder of our period time is for reading independently. So just a reminder, next week you'll have a new assignment for a second character letter. It must be on a different book in a different genre from your first one. Okay, use this time to read, and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.